and expandable. So in Europe, we've launched the 10 FODA this year. Okay, we make sure that all our users who's driving our car is able to enjoy the leading-edge technologies, and they are always updated with the breakthrough experiences in the car. So this is something we can do, but not too many other OEMs are doing. And also we try to build up this power ecosystems to make sure that the users have the better recharging experiences.
NIO has been making waves in the European electric vehicle market, strategically expanding its presence with notable success. Having entered markets like the Netherlands, Sweden, and Denmark, NIO has positioned itself as a key player. Now, the excitement builds as NIO's president confirms the introduction of the Firefly sub-brand in Europe by 2025. This development reflects NIO's commitment to diversifying its offerings and carries significant implications for competition and market dynamics. But how will NIO's Firefly shake up the European EV landscape? First, NIO's ambitious plans unfolded with a strategic move to expand beyond its Chinese roots, targeting new markets with Germany at the forefront. This marked the beginning of a pivotal journey aimed at global recognition. Since then, NIO has not merely expressed intentions, it has made tangible progress in its European venture. With a notable presence in the Netherlands, Sweden, and Denmark, NIO has executed its expansion plans with precision. The company's electric vehicle models are not just concepts on paper, they have hit the roads in these European nations. This geographical diversification showcases NIO's commitment to establishing a formidable presence in the competitive European EV market. What distinguishes NIO's approach is not just the introduction of EVs, but also the implementation of proprietary battery swap stations. These stations, a fundamental component of NIO's business model, provide a unique solution to the charging infrastructure challenge.
It's very important to us because we need to respect the different user habits and preferences in Europe, and the Digital Innovation Center enables us to develop features and adapt features towards these needs and preferences.
NIO has also adopted a strategic tiered branding strategy akin to automotive giants such as Toyota/Lexus and Honda/Acura, demonstrating a thoughtful approach to market segmentation. This tiered strategy is poised to extend beyond the flagship NIO brand by introducing the Firefly sub-brand. Positioned as a more affordable alternative, Firefly is strategically tailored to tap into the market for smaller electric vehicles, aligning with the increasing demand for compact and budget-friendly options. Under the codenames Himalaya and Firefly, NIO showcases a comprehensive approach to covering diverse market segments and price points. This intentional diversification allows NIO to appeal to a broader consumer base, mirroring successful strategies employed by industry leaders. Now, let's zoom in on NIO's Firefly, positioned as the base-level electric vehicle sub-brand. In terms of pricing, Firefly aims to address the more budget-conscious segment of the market. This is particularly noteworthy when compared to the existing NIO brand's pricing in Europe, which typically falls within the premium segment alongside well-established brands like BMW and Mercedes-Benz. The NIO president's vision for Firefly adds a layer of specificity to its positioning. Describing Firefly EVs as smaller and family-friendly, there is a deliberate focus on meeting the needs of a wider demographic. By carving out this niche, NIO aims to cater to those seeking compact, cost-effective electric vehicles that seamlessly integrate into family life. It's not just about making EVs more accessible, it's about tailoring them to fit consumers' diverse lifestyles. Meanwhile, NIO's Alps, positioned strategically between the main NIO brand and the newly introduced Firefly, adds another layer to the company's tiered branding strategy. Alps is not merely a bridge between the two, it plays a distinct role in addressing specific market needs within the European landscape. Alps is poised to occupy a niche that balances features and pricing, offering a compelling option for consumers seeking a mid-range electric vehicle solution. This intentional positioning aligns with the diverse preferences within the European market, recognizing that consumers may be looking for options that fall between the premium offerings of NIO's main brand and the budget-friendly appeal of Firefly. The timeline for Alps' entry into the European market is set for Q3 2024. The decision to introduce Alps ahead of Firefly suggests a strategic sequencing, allowing NIO to gradually capture different market segments and cater to a wide spectrum of consumers. So, it seems like NIO's expansion into the European electric vehicle market has stirred more than just enthusiasm among consumers. The stock market has responded with a notable surge, indicating a positive investor sentiment towards NIO's strategic moves. This optimistic stock reaction is not merely a fleeting trend, it reflects a broader market anticipation of NIO's entry's impact on the European EV landscape. As NIO strives to capture a broader consumer base, this heightened competition will likely prompt a response from other players in the European EV market. The key implication here is the potential lowering of prices across the board. NIO's move to offer budget-friendly electric vehicles aligns with a growing demand for accessible options, challenging the conventional pricing norms within the premium EV segment. Now, let's consider the impact on established players, notably Tesla and Polestar. NIO's strategic entry into the European market introduces a new contender with a tiered branding strategy that covers a wide spectrum of consumers. This could compel established players to reconsider their own pricing strategies and product offerings. Tesla may even face intensified competition as NIO aims to disrupt the status quo. Similarly, Polestar, another established player, might navigate a more competitive landscape. Investors have also been quick to respond to NIO's strategic move into the European electric vehicle market, particularly with the announcement of the Firefly sub-brand. The notable 4% surge in trading of NIO's American depository receipts underscores the positive sentiment among investors. This surge isn't just a numeric fluctuation, it's a tangible sign of confidence in NIO's expansion plans and the broader electric vehicle industry. The interpretation of this surge in trading is crucial. NIO becomes a representative of the industry's potential for growth and innovation. The positive response in trading suggests that investors see NIO's strategic moves as promising for the company and indicative of the broader trend towards increased adoption of electric vehicles. To understand the implications further, we need to look at NIO's success in its home market, China. NIO's strong foundation in China, where it has gained recognition and market share, contributes significantly to its confidence and strategic prowess in entering the European market. The success in China is a testament to NIO's ability to navigate and thrive in a competitive landscape, providing a solid foundation as it expands globally. But hey, before we continue, we want to thank you for watching this far. However, challenges are looming over the European electric vehicle market. The persistent issue of high prices has hindered the widespread adoption of EVs, creating a barrier for many potential buyers. The market has faced a demand slowdown, with factors like the economic environment playing a pivotal role. NIO's move to introduce more affordable options directly addresses the pricing challenge. NIO's role in increasing diversity, competition, and innovation in the European EV market is multifaceted. By offering more affordable options, NIO contributes to the diversification of the market, providing choices that cater to a broader spectrum of consumers.
Battery swap has a bigger potential in the European electricity market. Back in October 2022, NIO announced its entry into Germany, Denmark, Sweden, and the Netherlands, and its plan to build 120 power swap stations by the end of 2023.
Now, let's look at NIO's significant strides in expanding charging and battery swapping services across Europe. The introduction of 2 new power swap stations in Malmö and Arlandastad, Sweden, marks a crucial chapter in NIO's commitment to providing a seamless charging experience for its users. These new power swap stations can perform up to 408 swaps per day and store up to 21 batteries. This enhances the efficiency of battery swapping and caters to the growing demand for such services in the European market. The strategic placement of these stations in Sweden underlines NIO's targeted approach to establishing a robust charging infrastructure in key European regions. What adds to the game-changing potential of NIO's expansion is its partnerships with major players in the industry. Collaborations with Volvo parent Geely Holding and Changan Auto contribute to standardizing battery swapping technology. This ensures a seamless experience for NIO users and lays the groundwork for a more interconnected and efficient EV ecosystem. Beyond battery swapping, NIO has also partnered with RWE, a prominent player in renewable energy in Europe. This collaboration involves RWE taking over the green power supply for NIO properties. As NIO positions itself as a key player in the European EV market, these efforts to expand charging infrastructure and form strategic partnerships pave the way for a future where electric vehicles are not only accessible but also supported by a robust and sustainable ecosystem. The stage is set for NIO's Firefly to make a transformative impact in 2025, and the question now is, how will this reshape the landscape of electric mobility in Europe? Join the conversation in the comments below, and while you're at it, make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons down below. Additionally, if you want to know about investing in NIO stock, I highly recommend watching this amazing video. Simply click this video right here. Thank you for tuning in and stay tuned for more exciting content in the future.